Don't glue it. JB Weld it.
Hi, I'm Blythe. WaterWeld is JB Weld's waterproof epoxy putty. When strength really matters, WaterWeld is an epoxy putty that comes in a stick. Just cut, knead, and apply. WaterWeld is easy to use to seal and repair just about any hard, wet surface. And it's great for projects around the house, in the garage, and marina. WaterWeld sets in about 25 minutes and cures in about an hour, even underwater. Apply WaterWeld to the repair surface. Recap the putty tube for next use. This repair is now done. WaterWeld is a versatile epoxy putty that's strong and permanent. Thanks for watching. Learn more at jbweld.com.
JB Weld, world's strongest bond.